Do you feel the need for speed? In this video, we're going to tell you why the Turbo Shark is faster than other turbocharged aircraft. We're going to tell you which engine was selected for the Turbo Shark and why. Shark has always strived to build the perfect light aircraft, balancing speed and efficiency and comfort and reliability, all within strict European regulations. But what happens when you take that aircraft and you add a turbocharged engine? That's what this video is all about. When the Shark engineering team went looking for more performance, they were not just looking for more horsepower. They were looking for the right engine, one that was technologically advanced, proven and reliable, efficient and lightweight. An engine that would allow people to cross continents in hot and high conditions and cross mountain ranges. So after all the research, they selected the Norwegian Edge Performance 914 Ti Generation 2 126 horsepower engine, a perfect match for this airframe. So why this engine? Within the European 600 kilogram maximum all-up mass category, every single kilogram matters. A heavier engine means a reduced payload, higher fuel burn, and compromised efficiency. This Gen 2 engine offers the best power-to-weight ratio in the marketplace today. That means increased payload, better fuel burn, and improved range. The Edge Performance 914 Ti features multi-point fuel injection, ECU-controlled ignition, camshaft and crankshaft sensors for full sequential control, closed-loop EGT and knock monitoring, and a high-pressure ratio Garrett turbocharger. All of that means improved timing. And the result is smoother running, better atomization, reduced emissions, and improved performance for each individual cylinder. In short, that means cutting-edge technology on a proven foundation. Because the Shark is a tandem design, its aerodynamics are dramatically cleaner than a side-by-side aircraft. Just do the maths. That's why this 126 horsepower Turbo Shark flies faster than many 160 horsepower side-by-side aircraft, all whilst burning dramatically less fuel. At 10,000 feet, where most turbocharged light aircraft operate, the Shark reaches 335 kilometers an hour at maximum continuous power, burning only 27 liters per hour. And at a comfortable 75% cruise, it reaches 320 kilometers an hour whilst consuming just 21.5 liters per hour. That's impressive speed. No compromises. To try this yourself, book a demo flight. The climb performance is equally impressive. From sea level to 10,000 feet in under 7 minutes, to 15,000 feet in slightly over 10 minutes. And climbing above flight level 200, you can achieve 400 kilometers an hour with onboard oxygen generation from Aethra. So what does that mean in terms of range for the Turbo Shark? Because the engine is lightweight and efficient, payload remains high and fuel burn remains low. That, combined with the efficient tandem design, means that range is 60% more than less efficient design configurations. So the Turbo Shark delivers speed without sacrificing endurance. That's a real cross-continental capability. Okay, so what about the redesigned gills? Of course, these are a signature feature of the Shark. This new design gives improved airflow through the engine bay and better cooling in hot and high ambient conditions. It's these details that give the Shark its refined feel. Here at the front, you'll notice another change. Why? Because balance matters. Shark tested over 40 different propellers in order to find the ideal propeller for high-speed, high-altitude cruising flight. And this selection here, the Glorieuse from E-Props in France, is the perfect match, giving an extra 8 kilometers in speed. Of course, it's dynamically adjustable in flight with controls in the cockpit. Okay, so what's new in the interior? Well, there's new color schemes for Shark's famously comfortable, fully adjustable seats. And you can match the control column and the throttle to the seats as well. As in all Sharks, the Kevlar cage surrounds the pilot and is one of more than 30 safety features in the Turbo Shark. And the canopy frame is exposed carbon fibre, a little reminiscent of a Ferrari. Everything is designed around the pilot for maximum safety, comfort and total control. The Turbo Shark proves something important, that exceptional performance comes from intelligent design. A lightweight airframe, an aerodynamically efficient tandem configuration, an exceptional turbocharged 126 horsepower engine, and detailed design of every single component. It's fast, it's efficient, it's balanced. That's the Turbo Shark.